Today I'm going to show you how to change an audience contact name in MailChimp step by step, quickly and correctly. If you manage email subscribers, leads, or customer lists, this is a simple way to keep your audience data accurate and organized. Whether you want to fix a misspelled name, update a contact after a form submission, or clean up your audience list, this tutorial will walk you through the full process. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign in to your MailChimp account using your email address and password. After you're logged in, you'll land in the main dashboard where you can manage campaigns, automation, and your audience data. The next step is to open the audience section from the left-hand navigation menu. Click Audience to see all of your contacts in one place. This is the area where MailChimp stores the people on your list, so if you want to update someone's name, this is where you'll do it. Now, you need to find the contact you want to edit. You can browse through the contact list manually if you only have a few people, or you can use the search bar to find them faster by name or email address. This is especially helpful if your audience list is large and you want to save time. Once you locate the correct contact, click their name or email address to open their profile. This will take you to their contact details page, where you can see all the information MailChimp has stored for that person. On this page, look for the contact information section. This section contains the fields you may want to edit, including the first name and last name. To make changes, click Edit. That will open the contact details in an editing window. Now you can update the name fields. Click into the first name box and type the corrected first name, then move to the last name box and enter the updated last name. If the name was entered incorrectly before, this is the place to fix it. Take a moment to double check the spelling so the contact record is clean and accurate. Keeping names updated can help with personalization, segmentation, and better communication later on. When you're finished making the edits, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the editing window. MailChimp will immediately update the contact information, and the new name will now appear on that contact's profile. That's it. The change is complete. You can repeat the same process for any other contact in your audience whenever you need to correct or update their details. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.